Space is vast and filled with weird and wonderful things. Some of the bizarre inhabitants and phenomena of our universe are more astounding than even the most extreme sci-fi or space movie. We have prepared for you the top 10 most interesting facts about space that you probably didn't know about. First, the moon is lemon-shaped. Despite its appearance in the night sky, our natural satellite is nowhere near round. In fact, the moon is shaped like a lemon, with flattened poles and bulges on both the near and far side around its equator. Second, Milky Way smells of rum, raspberries and booze. In 2009, astronomers exploring a giant cloud of gas and dust at the center of the Milky Way made a surprise discovery. The cloud was packed full of a chemical known as ethyl formate, which has a couple of intriguing properties. It is responsible for giving raspberries their flavor and has the smell of rum. Third, 1 teaspoon of neutron star weighs the same as the whole human population. A neutron star's density is mind-boggling. These stars are composed almost entirely of neutrons packed together in a tiny radius. Just a teaspoonful of this material would weigh over 1 trillion kilograms, more than the weight of the entire human population. Fourth, gamma ray bursts can release more energy in 10 seconds than our sun will in its entire life. Nothing in the universe rivals the power unleashed during a gamma ray burst, a brief but incredibly intense flash of high-energy radiation. Fifth, the sun loses 1 billion kilos per second. Our star sheds around 1.3 trillion particles every second. This equates to roughly 1 billion kilograms of matter per second, or 1 Earth every 185 million years.